Okay, I also thought I would do what I eat in a day as like a person trying to maintain weight loss. So I lost about 15 pounds in the last year, I would say. And so I try to stick to noon during the week. And then on the weekends, I usually stick to like counting my calories for breakfast and lunch, but then dinner, or depending like if I go out to lunch, I'll allow myself to have whatever meal I want. But during the week, I count my calories through noon and try to stick to usually between like 1,300 calories, which I know is not a lot for some people, but it works for me. So I was gonna show you what I'm having for breakfast. So I always make my coffee. I just do 2 Nespresso pods, and I use the almond or the silk almond creamer. I'm gonna use the sweet and creamy, so I just do 4 tablespoons of the creamer with 2 Nespresso. I did vanilla pods today, and the creamer is 1 tablespoon is 25 calories, so 100 calories in the creamer. And then for breakfast, I will do a half a cup of the Trader Joe's Greek non-fat yogurt, and I will cut up an apple, but I'll put that into a bowl, eat those together. And then I'm going into work today, so I'm not packing my lunch, but I pack some snacks in case I get hungry. A little bit of fruit in here, so I think it's 12, which I count everything, so it's 12 grapes, 10 cherries, and then I have like 2 large strawberries cut up. And then I have a couple of low-fat wheat thins. A serving size is 16, so there are 16 wheat thins in here. And then just waters and stuff, but I'll go buy a salad at lunch, so I'll show you that. And then I haven't figured out what I'm gonna have for dinner, but once I do, I'll show you that as well. And so there it is, like nothing fancy, nothing special, but I do like that while the Greek yogurt doesn't really taste like much, the sweetness from the apple gives it a flavor, and it, actually tastes good to me. So there it is. And for lunch, I ordered a salad from Honey Girl. This is my order. Okay, here's why I cannot be an influencer, because I was sitting on my couch and realized I forgot to show what I ate for dinner. So the ultimate struggle meal, spaghetti. I was struggling today, so that's what we had. A little wine to end the night, and I'm done. Also, let me know if anyone else does Noom or uses Noom to track your calories, or if you use some other app to do the same thing. Do you find it helpful? I find it very helpful to stay on track, so I want to know if you guys do as well.